Hello and welcome back. Hope everyone had a great weekend. Kind of easing into my Monday here, and I want to start by going back to last week and looking at the last couple of days and how that played out for me, at least on Friday. So what we were looking at, we had a little trend, upward trend going in the daily. We had, let's see, one, two, three, four, five, six closes on the upside of the PL dot, on top of the PL dot. So we're trending up, and then we ran into something up here, and we had a trend reverse, or a congestion entrance bar on the daily chart. This was Wednesday. Thursday, another congestion bar down below the PL dot, and on Friday morning at 6 o'clock, the market was down in this area here. And in my mind, I took that as a sign that maybe this higher time period quarterly and yearly PL dot we're going to start to break down. And I guess I was letting the banking and the talking heads get into my head a little bit, thinking that things are a lot more negative than perhaps they were. So what I did on Friday was I wanted to run my stop down to break even in this area, and turned off my computer and went out to enjoy the weather. And that's part of the trading that we often don't talk about. Is we analyze our charts. The charts tell us what we can anticipate, and we make a decision. We use stops. We use target limit prices for target areas. And then the other element is letting go and just surrendering and seeing what happens, rather than me spending the day staring at the market hoping I can will it to do what I want. I just shut everything off and just let me be surprised with what happens. And as we know in trading, sometimes we're the bug and sometimes we're the windshield. And hindsight being perfect as it always is, a really good target area for me to get out of that trade would have been down here in this cluster of support. But we'll see what happens next time. The other thing I wanted to point out, I'm only showing about 2 weeks of data here, but this area up here has been on our chart all month is a possible higher time period resistance. It's a monthly 5-1, a monthly 6-1. And if we went back a couple weeks, it's been holding. So once again, we're flirting with these higher time period resistance areas and support areas. This is the weekly chart, and it's updated now with the congestion entrance bar. And we define congestion probably initially between here and here. So looking at this weekly chart, what can we anticipate for the next type of trading? We have a congestion entrance. So is this downward trend has come to an end, and now we're in congestion, and we can have, so we're in congestion entrance, and we can have congestion action, something in this area. These levels do tend to expand a little bit, so we take that into consideration. And then we're looking for a congestion exit, and that could be a trend reversal or it could be a continuation. And so we know at this point that we're in congestion, and then we're going to start using the lower time period and the higher time period resistance to hedge our bet and turn and anticipate which way this market's going to break. In weekly congestion, you can see that there is a huge amount of space in between this upper level and this lower level down here. So there's a lot of trading activity in there within congestion. And markets tend to be in congestion quite a bit of time, and they can be in congestion on one level and in a trend on a lower time period. And let me just take one more peek at the monthly chart. Again, this is higher monthly time period resistance up here along with the monthly PL dot. So there's still a strong area here, and there's still a strong area of support. And this bar is almost finished, so we'll have some new information coming onto the monthly chart here after the end of the week. So for today, the market has fallen from this area up here where that weekly 6-1, the daily envelope top, the weekly envelope top, the monthly PL dot. So the market is moving down right now as I record this. I'm not sure. We'll see how it plays out down here towards the daily PL dot. And with weekly congestion the downside target is going to be down here at the weekly PL dot. And that's initially where I'm anticipating this to go if this area holds. And we'll see how the market plays out the rest of the day. And then I can anticipate maybe a deeper retracement down here. So that's it for now. I'll keep an eye on this and update as needed. If you have any questions, please put them in the comment section, and I'll deal with them the best I can. Like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. See you again soon.